Welcome. Today I am with SoundPeats H2 and I will show you how you can power on and power off these earbuds. So we get two methods, automatic and manually. The first one, when you want to power off automatically, just put them back to the charging case and close the case. To power on, just remove them from the case. And as you can see, it's working. So to turn them off manually, you have to grab them like that. In this place you can find touch control panel. So we have to click and hold right here together at the same time until these indicators above my fingernails blinks at the same time on the red. So keep holding, and right now we can release. As you can see, they are turned off. To power on, click and hold for 1.5 seconds. And right now you can release. And we are connected back. Okay, let's catch focus, come on. So yeah, that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.